Welcome to session 6, the last one in this pack. You've done very well so far, and now you just have to make exercise a habit, just like sleeping and eating. You deserve to stay fit and healthy. Let's get straight into the warm-up. Your first warm-up movement is lateral lunges. I'm going to show you how to do that, and then we'll do it together. You start with keeping your feet a little wider than your shoulders. Bend to one side, keeping the other knee completely locked and feet flat on the ground. Alternate it with moving to the left and then to the right. We are going to do it for 30 seconds. Let's begin. To the right and then to the left. It's going to work on opening your hips. Very good foundation work for your exercise. Keep breathing, keep your back straight, chest upright. You can keep your hands close to your chest or you can keep them on your waist, whatever is comfortable for you. 10 more seconds. Keep going, feet flat. Keep breathing. And you're done. Your second warm-up movement is jumping jacks. You stand with your feet comfortably apart, keep your hands down, jump out, and as you jump out, get your hands up together. As you jump in, get your hands back down. We are going to do this for 30 seconds. Are you ready to begin? Let's go. Hands all the way up and then down. Stay on your toes, keep your knees soft and go slow. You're just warming up. Maintain slow and deep breathing. Ten more seconds, you're almost there. Keep going. And you're done. Your third warm-up movement is the Frogger hold. You get into the raised plank with your arms directly underneath your shoulders and head to toe one straight line. Place your right leg outside your right hand and raise your chest up. You're going to hold this for 15 seconds on either side. Are you ready to begin? Let's go. Keep your chest up. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs, your quads, nicely opening your hips up. And switch. Left leg forward. If you can't get it all the way to the hand, it's fine. Get it as much as possible. Chest up. Arm extended. Keep moving. And done. Round 1, movement 1. Quick feet. You stand with your feet comfortably apart, your hands close to the chest, and start moving your feet as fast as possible. We are going to do this for 30 seconds. Are you ready to begin? Alright, let's go. As fast as you can. You don't need to hurry, but I want you to finish it. Keep going. Strengthening your calf muscles. 10 more seconds. You are almost there. Stay at it. And you're done. Your second movement is bird dog. You've done this before, down on all fours. Extend the right hand and left leg out. Get the knee to elbow, and we're going to do this for 15 seconds on either side. Are you ready to begin? Let's go. Keep your back straight, your abs tight. Don't let your hips move. And switch. Other side. Keep going. Doing good. And you're done. Your third movement is jumping tees. You stand with your feet comfortably apart, your arms extended forward, jump out with your legs and extending your arms out, and then back again. You're going to do this for 30 seconds. Are you ready to begin? Let's go. Stay on your toes. Go at your own pace. Maintain a steady pace throughout these 30 seconds. Keep your knees soft. Ten more seconds, you're almost there. Keep going. And done. Round 2, movement 1, quick feet. 30 seconds on the clock. Let's begin. Keep going. Keep your abs tight, back straight, and stay on your toes. Getting your heart rate higher. 10 more seconds, you're almost there. Good job. And you're done. Your second movement is bird dog. Down on the ground, 30 seconds on the clock. Let's begin. Right hand and left leg. I'm sure you must be more stable by now. Very familiar movement. And switch. Left hand and right leg. Maintain that form. Keep that focus. You're doing good. And done. Your third movement is jumping tees. Feet comfortably apart, 30 seconds on the clock. Let's begin. Go at your own pace. 30 seconds. Keep going. Extend arms out completely as much as you can. 10 more seconds. You're almost done. Come on. Keep going. And done. Round 3, movement 1. Feet together, 30 seconds on the clock. Let's begin. Building your stamina and your endurance. Also strengthening your calf muscles. Keep going. As fast as you can. You don't have to hurry. 10 more seconds to go. You're almost done. Doing good so far. Come on. And you're done. Second movement, bird dog. Down on the ground. 30 seconds on the clock. 15 seconds on either side. Let's begin. Come on. It's the last round. Working on your midsection, your spine, and switch. This is going to improve your posture. Keep going. And you're done. The third movement is jumping tees. Feet together, arms extended, and start. Come on. Arms wide open and then back. Working on the mobility of your upper body and also your endurance. Keep your knees soft on the toes. 10 more seconds. You're almost done. Don't drop now. Keep going. And you're done. Your first cool down movement is the quad stretch. You stand with your feet comfortably apart, grab your ankle, get your heel to the butt and hold it for 15 seconds. Are you ready to begin? Let's go. If you cannot maintain balance, you can hold on to anything, a wall or a pole or anything that's close by. Keep breathing, maintain that focus and switch. Another 15 seconds on the other side. Get your heel close to the butt as much as possible. stretch nicely. And done. Your second cool down movement is the hamstring stretch. You get into the raised plank and raise your hips up to the sky as much as possible, getting your feet flat on the ground and your back straight. We are going to hold it for 30 seconds. Are you ready to begin? Let's go. If you cannot get your heel flat on the ground, that's totally fine. Do as much as possible, but with time, you should get there. Keep your knees locked to give you a good stretch on your hamstrings. Try to get your head closer to the ground. 10 more seconds. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch. Knees locked. And done. Your third cool down movement is chest and back stretch. You get your arms forward, interlock them, keep your knees soft and open your back to feel a good stretch on your lats. You're going to hold it for 15 seconds and then switch to the chest stretch. Ready to begin? Let's go. Keep breathing. Extend your arms forward as much as possible. Feel the stretch in your back. Alright, now interlock your arms behind, raise your arms up as much as possible without bending your chest forward and hold it for 15 seconds. Ready to begin? Let's go. Roll your shoulders back, arms completely locked, raise as much as possible. Give you a good stretch on your chest. And you're done. Congratulations, you have finished this pack. This also means that you must be addicted to exercise by now. This is only the beginning to your fitness journey. Of course, you can do this pack again or choose another pack. But it's very important to exercise regularly and eat right. Signing off on that note, you take care and I will see you soon.